Hey everyone, welcome back to Z-Tech Advisor channel. Today, we're delving into Module 9, Vulnerability Response and Incident Handling. In this video, we'll explore the crucial role of vulnerability response within incident handling processes. Understanding how vulnerability response intersects with incident handling is essential for effectively mitigating cybersecurity threats and minimizing the impact of security incidents. Join us as we uncover the key principles, strategies, and best practices for integrating vulnerability response into incident handling protocols. Let's dive in and explore how proactive vulnerability management can strengthen your organization's cybersecurity posture. Module 9, Vulnerability Response and Incident Handling, understanding the role of vulnerability response in incident handling. Developing a vulnerability response plan. Incident classification and severity determination. Coordinating vulnerability response efforts with incident response teams. Incident containment and eradication strategies. Post-incident analysis and lessons learned. Case studies of effective vulnerability response and incident handling. Integrating vulnerability response into overall cybersecurity incident management frameworks. Understanding the role of vulnerability response in incident handling. Understanding the role of vulnerability response in incident handling is essential for effectively managing security incidents and mitigating their impact. Vulnerability response focuses on identifying and addressing security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers to compromise systems or data. By proactively addressing vulnerabilities, organizations can reduce the likelihood of security incidents occurring and minimize the potential damage in the event of an attack. Integrating vulnerability response into incident handling processes ensures a comprehensive and coordinated approach to cybersecurity risk management. Developing a vulnerability response plan (VRP). Developing a vulnerability response plan (VRP) is critical for organizations to effectively respond to security vulnerabilities and incidents. The VRP outlines the procedures, roles, and responsibilities for identifying, assessing, prioritizing, and remediating vulnerabilities. It defines communication channels, escalation paths, and decision-making processes to facilitate timely and coordinated response efforts. Additionally, the VRP includes guidelines for monitoring, reporting, and documenting vulnerability response activities to ensure accountability and compliance with regulatory requirements. Incident classification and severity determination. Incident classification and severity determination involve categorizing security incidents based on their impact, severity, and potential consequences. Classification criteria may include factors such as the type of vulnerability exploited, the affected systems or assets, and the extent of unauthorized access or data compromise. Severity determination helps prioritize incident response efforts by focusing resources on addressing high-impact incidents with the greatest potential for harm. By classifying incidents and determining their severity, organizations can allocate resources effectively and mitigate security risks promptly. Coordinating vulnerability response efforts with incident response teams. Coordinating vulnerability response efforts with incident response teams is essential for ensuring a unified and coordinated approach to cybersecurity incident management. Collaboration between vulnerability response and incident response teams enables organizations to leverage their respective expertise and resources to effectively address security vulnerabilities and incidents. Clear communication channels, escalation procedures, and cross-functional collaboration facilitate timely decision-making and response actions. By working together, vulnerability response and incident response teams can minimize the impact of security incidents, reduce downtime, and mitigate potential damage to the organization. Incident containment and eradication strategies. Incident containment and eradication strategies focus on limiting the scope and impact of security incidents and restoring affected systems to a secure state. Containment involves isolating compromised systems or assets to prevent further unauthorized access or data loss. Eradication focuses on removing the root cause of the incident, such as malware or unauthorized access, and restoring affected systems to a known good state. Implementing containment and eradication strategies requires careful planning, coordination, and technical expertise to minimize disruption to business operations and ensure the integrity of affected systems. Post-incident analysis and lessons learned. Post-incident analysis and lessons learned involve conducting a thorough review of security incidents to identify root causes, vulnerabilities, and areas for improvement in incident response processes. Analysis may include examining the timeline of events, identifying weaknesses in security controls, and assessing the effectiveness of response actions taken. Lessons learned sessions provide an opportunity for stakeholders to share insights, best practices, and recommendations for enhancing incident response capabilities. By conducting post-incident analysis and sharing lessons learned, organizations can strengthen their incident response capabilities, mitigate future risks, and enhance overall cybersecurity resilience. Case studies of effective vulnerability response and incident handling. Case studies of effective vulnerability response and incident handling provide real-world examples of organizations successfully managing security incidents and mitigating their impact. These case studies highlight best practices, lessons learned, and key takeaways from incidents such as data breaches, malware infections, and insider threats. By analyzing case studies, organizations can gain insights into common vulnerabilities, attack techniques, and incident response strategies, enabling them to better prepare for and respond to security incidents in their own environments. Additionally, case studies demonstrate the importance of proactive vulnerability management and incident response in protecting against cybersecurity threats and maintaining business continuity. Integrating vulnerability response into overall cybersecurity incident management frameworks. Integrating vulnerability response into overall cybersecurity incident management frameworks ensures a holistic and coordinated approach to managing security risks. By aligning vulnerability response processes with incident management frameworks, such as the NIST Cybersecurity Framework or ISO/IEC 27035, organizations can streamline response efforts and improve the effectiveness of their cybersecurity programs. Integration enables organizations to leverage existing incident response capabilities, procedures, and resources to address vulnerabilities and mitigate security risks more effectively. By embedding vulnerability response into broader incident management frameworks, organizations can enhance their ability to detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents while minimizing the impact on business operations. Case study: Secure Tech Solutions. Background: Secure Tech Solutions is a leading provider of cybersecurity services to businesses across various industries. Facing a growing number of security incidents and vulnerabilities, Secure Tech recognized the need to strengthen its incident handling processes and integrate vulnerability response into its overall cybersecurity strategy. Challenge: Secure Tech faced challenges in effectively responding to security incidents due to a lack of coordination between its vulnerability management and incident response teams. Incident handling processes were reactive and ad hoc, resulting in delays in identifying and mitigating security risks. Additionally, the absence of a formal vulnerability response plan hindered the organization's ability to prioritize and remediate vulnerabilities in a timely manner. Solution: To address these challenges, Secure Tech implemented a comprehensive vulnerability response and incident handling program. The program included the development of a vulnerability response plan, VRP, outlining procedures, roles, and responsibilities for identifying, assessing, and remediating vulnerabilities. Secure Tech also established clear communication channels and escalation procedures to facilitate coordination between its vulnerability management and incident response teams. Additionally, Secure Tech invested in training and development initiatives to empower its team with the knowledge and skills needed to respond effectively to security incidents.
Its vulnerability response and incident handling program, Secure Tech achieved significant improvements in its cybersecurity posture. and incident response capabilities. The VRP provided a structured framework for prioritizing and addressing vulnerabilities, reducing the organization's exposure to potential security risks. Clear communication channels and coordination between teams enabled SecureTech to respond more quickly and efficiently to security incidents, minimizing the impact on its clients' operations. By integrating vulnerability response into its overall cybersecurity strategy, SecureTech demonstrated its commitment to proactive risk management and protecting its clients' sensitive data. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content on public safety awareness. Thanks for watching.